Hey guys, welcome to question MM200 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. Now we've got this function y equals 2x tan of 2x. We need to evaluate dy dx when x equals pi on 3. So guys, keeping in mind we don't have our calculator, it's a non-CAS question, and it's also worth 3 marks. So we're going to keep that in mind as we're working through and showing all of our working. So, first things first is we need to differentiate y with respect to x, because we need to find out what dy dx is, just the function, before we can actually sub x in. So, first things first again, guys, is recognizing that this is a product rule function, so we're going to need to use our product rule. We have one function here, 2x, and we're multiplying it by another function, tan 2x, which tells us that we need to use the product rule. So, our product rule tells us, actually, you know what, let's just start off by saying, let y equal u times v, where u is equal to 2x, and v is equal to tan of 2x. Our product rule says that dy dx is equal to v times, let's do u first, so u times dv dx plus v times du dx. Awesome. From here, we simply need to sub in our values. We're actually going to have to figure out du dx and dv dx first. So du dx is just 2. Differentiated version of 2x is just 2. And then dv dx is equal to 2 sec squared of 2x. Awesome. So guys, keep in mind that the derivative of tan is sec squared. And the 2 comes out the front of the sec squared as well. So, what do we do now? Simply sub in our values. So we know that dy dx, I don't know why I drew this here, I'm going to get rid of this. Dy dx is equal to u, which is 2x, so 2x times dv dx, which is 2 sec squared 2x, plus v, which is tan 2x, times du dx, which is 2. So then we end up with 4x sec squared 2x plus 2 tan of 2x. Awesome. So that's our dy dx, guys. So now let's sub in our values. So we know that x is meant to be equal to pi on 3 at dy dx. So all we're going to do is just sub in our pi on 3 for x. So we get 4 times pi on 3 times sec squared of 2 times pi on 3, which is 2 pi on 3, plus 2 tan of, again, 2 pi on 3. This changes to 4 pi on 3, just the 4 goes in there. Now, sec squared is the same as 1 on cos squared x, okay? So this is the same as 1 over cos squared of 2 pi on 3, okay? Plus tan of 2 pi on 3 is equal to negative root 3. If you're not too sure how, you just go back and review the unit circle. In our trigonometry section of Fortify, from MM200 to MM150, you'll be able to find something that explains this there. Cool. So guys, from here we just need to evaluate this as we keep going down. So we get 4 pi on 3 times 1 over, so cos of 2 pi on 3 is equal to negative 1/2, okay? So negative 1/2, but we're also squaring it, so we get negative 1/2 squared. Plus, or I should say take away 2 root 3. And let's just keep going with this. So from here, we get negative 1/2 squared is 1/4, so 1 over 4. 1 divided by 1 over 4 is just 4. So we get 4 pi on 3 times 4. Take away 2 root 3. And that gives us, I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see that, but I'll do it over here, equals 16 pi on 3, take away 2 root 3. Awesome. Awesome work, guys. This is a 3-mark question, as got written up here, as I mentioned before. So your first mark comes by recognizing that it's a product rule and starting to sub those guys in. So somewhere between here and here, you will get your first mark. Your second mark comes as you're subbing in x, pi on 3, so somewhere in between here. And then your third mark is obviously the correct answer. That's it. So please hit me up in the comments below if you have any questions about any of this. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching.